Hey, in front of me is Xiaomi 11T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now you need to select additional settings, go into one-handed mode and tap on this switcher to activate it. Now you can pick size of your shrink screen by clicking on one of those options. Then follow those instructions. Swipe left or right from the home button to pull the screen closer to one side. If you wish to use your phone with your right hand in this mode, you need to swipe to the right. Then go back by clicking on this blank area. If you wish to use it with your left hand, do the same to the left. Then go back the same way. If you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely, click at the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!